I stopped the last video. I was gonna keep going with the last video, but okay, I'm just gonna do the intro right now. Okay, that was my intro. Yeah, I gotta get used to videotaping like this. It just stopped raining. I stopped the last video because my phone went dead, but I had to charge it, and it's only like 10%. So the video is not gonna be very long, like 5 minutes maybe. It might last that long. Still debris, and you see it rained from the last time. I believe it's still raining. Let's go check. It definitely rained. Ground is more dry. Yeah, I'm right here. It's not raining. Nope, it's blue right there. It's blue over there. Yep, it's not raining. Okay, look at me. Let me pull that back. Yeah, I have not had sugar. I'm just like this. Some more sticks fell when it started pouring. Or did y'all see that in the last video? Maybe. But what are y'all saying? Well, actually, maybe y'all comment it in one of the videos. Now just spread the love and subscribe. Okay. My feet are getting wet. And you're probably wondering how tall I am. I don't know how tall I am. Like 5 feet. So more stuff just getting blown around like this gigantic leaf. It's the size of my phone. And boom, there goes the phone. Oh God, look at that. Oh God. Why? And my feet are absorbing all. And my sister, we're actually starting to see some blue, but this is only day 1. We still got 2 more days. Apparently Thursday was day 1, but I don't count that because it didn't rain at all yesterday, or there was no actually storm yesterday, or it wasn't even this windy. So I just said, well, crap it, I'm gonna make a video that day, and I did. Big blue. Okay, we're gonna walk across the street. There's rain. Not much on the ground. I'll walk over here. And we got some sticks over here. Of course, some sticks have fallen from this tree right here. But one day will fall on me while I pick this stick up. See, it definitely not really flooded yet. But oh God, did you see that bird? It's flying pretty fast. It's definitely got maybe half an inch in it. Maybe half an inch in it or so. And then over there, not much. just some small stick. Trash cans are okay. That's probably never. This tree's been blowing like heck. I mean, I got some cars behind you. Yep, some sticks just back over here in these parking spaces. If you can see them, I'm sorry, my camera's probably, yeah, if you can see them, sticks everywhere. And this is just the beginning. The storm's coming. And I think I've splintered my foot, so it's pretty bad for him. It's just really pretty good. I'm a really good storm chaser. I'm renaming the channel Storm Chasers. Chaser probably don't chaser.
Come on, let's go up here to the thing and you do it by yourself.
Okay. I'm gonna do Mr. Windows. Like I said, it's just a window. I should stop probably using it. Another stick. I want to actually see how big it is. It's right there. You can see it. Got another stick. Oh look, the tree put that light out. That light was just on.
I told Mommy don't go down there.
Yep, that light was just on, and I guess one of the branches hit it and went out. And that one went out, and that one over there is still on. So you got multiple lights went out from the storm already, and actually, if you can see it, there's some blue. Come on back, Kelly. Okay. Yeah. Pretty windy still. There's not really any. I am. There's not really trees over here. It's like these. I guess that light's still on. That one right there, if you can see it, went out. From here, it might look like it came on, but it's out. This light right here went out. And this is in Charlotte, remember? You know, Hurricane Florence is right now in Wilmington. Just imagine when it comes closer to Charlotte. Saturday is going to get closer, closer, and closer. And I'm going to come out here every day. Maybe not every day, it might start flooding. It really depends on how much rain's going to come down. I mean, I'm not going to get that much of an opportunity. And this light's really going out. See that branch right there? Broke. All these branches fell. I showed you that in the last video. Go watch the last videos and click on my channel and you can watch the other videos. Even though they might be a little stupid. I'm like getting serious about this. Sorry for blocking up. Y'all living a mantra. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Yep. That's just a fail. Oh, Kelly! Oh, Kelly! Ooh, yeah, that's the storm we were just in. See, the lights are still on. The hospital should still be on. Who knows, this power might go out tonight. It's possible. You gotta stay away from windows. Don't drive. Turn around, don't drown. That's the saying. I work for the Weather Channel. I'm just kidding. I'm only 10, so I don't work for the Weather Channel, of course. But Yeah. I talk a lot, probably. Okay, let's hit the books.
Go back.